I'm Deb. This is my fourth day of exit of a 9-day dry fast in Montenegro. This is my third spring coming to Montenegro to work with the Filonov team. I would consider this year and last year maintenance fasts. The prior year I was still working on healing. So I did do an interview about a year and a half ago, about 4 or 5 months after I exited from my first time in Montenegro. So you can see that on the Health Universe channel, YouTube channel. First year is very tough. I was trying to get through Lyme disease and I could bend my elbows, I couldn't lift my arms, I couldn't bend my knees, and I was in a lot of pain. So that first year was very difficult because it took a while. So I had planned to come to Montenegro, got COVID, couldn't make it, so I actually did 4 9-day fasts and 2 7-day fasts before I finally got here in March of 22. And although I could fast at home, fasting at home was great, and I actually needed to do that prior to being able to travel, because I don't think I would have been able to travel in the condition I was in. But coming here in person is a whole new experience. The treatments are like gold. You just can't match them. You're really well cared for. And that's what it took to get me to the other side. So when I did my other interview, I would say I was pretty close to being, I was almost there, but I wasn't quite there. And now I feel that I am fully recovered. I guess the best testimonial that I have is not even from me, it's from a couple I ran into while walking one day, and I was walking with my dog, and they recognized the dog but not me, because they said they used to see that dog walking with an old lady. So to me, that was like the greatest testimony, that they didn't think I was an old lady anymore. So that was awesome. So it's really important to prepare mentally and physically. And I did, that first year that was so challenging, I did go backwards. It was like 2 steps forward, 1 step back, but I just kept at it. And I think being here, it's good energy. The treatments are just fabulous, and I think that's what you need to. For me, that's what I needed to make it to the other side, and I'm so grateful for that, for the whole experience, because I never would have appreciated what I have now unless I didn't have it. And every day I wake up grateful for this team, that I found it, and that I feel now kind of invincible, that I can, it's not only just having done it, it's the wisdom as well that you gain. And I gained a lot of wisdom. I feel like I have all the tools I need to keep going in a healthy life. Last year was a maintenance fast. I had no expectations. I felt I was completely better, and I wasn't expecting anything. And I went home. I was like, wow, I feel fantastic. I wrote in my little book, go back next year. And here I am again.